Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at supply change 1 year, an indicator that tells you exactly how much dilution token holders have experienced over the past 12 months. Let's break it down. So this metric measures the difference between the number of tokens in circulation 12 months ago and the number in circulation today. It captures the cumulative impact of everything that happened to the supply over a full year, emissions, scheduled unlocks, vesting releases, and any token burns. Think of it as a real inflation rate of the token. If the supply has grown by 30% in a year, that means holders have been diluted by 30%, unless of course the price has kept pace, which it often doesn't. So let's take a look at Arbitrum. You can see the supply change over 1 year is in red because the score is plus 28%. So as you can see, that's a significant increase. The circulating supply has grown by nearly 30% in just 12 months. Now this is expected for a relatively young project like Arbitrum that is still in the middle of its vesting schedule, but as an investor, you need to factor this in. If the supply grew by 30% and the price stayed flat, the market cap still grew, which means new buyers were absorbing that supply, but if the price dropped, the dilution made it worse. Okay, compare that to Chainlink. As you can see, the supply change over a year is not in red, not in green, but transparent, plus 10%. The supply grew, but at much more moderate pace. Around 10% over a year is manageable for most projects, especially major ones, with active ecosystems that can absorb the additional supply. The color code is straightforward actually. Green means the supply growth has been low, minimal dilution for holders. Neutral, like Chainlink, means it is in the moderate range. And red, like Arbitrum, means the supply has expanded significantly, which creates real dilution risk and potential downward pressure on price. As always, you can click to the number on CryptoScores to go directly to the CoinGecko page and see the supply data over time, cross-reference it with the price chart to understand whether the market has been able to absorb the new supply or not. Supply change 1 year is one of the most practical indicators for understanding real dilution. Head over to cryptoscores.com to check it for any project, and we will see you there in the next one.